Hey guys, it's Tammy, and you saw that right. I saved over $441 at Walgreens this morning. How come? 90% off summer clearance, you guys. Yeah, it was such a big deal that when I dropped my daughter off at school, I said, hurry up and get out! Get out! I gotta go! I gotta go! So I stopped off at one Walgreens. They were pretty much wiped out. It was a 24-hour store, go figure. I went to another store that opens up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Hello, jackpot. Their stuff was still marked at 70% off, but it was ringing up 90%. Yeah. When you go into one of those sales, you have to set a budget. I could have went nuts. I could have cleared those shelves like there was no tomorrow. There was just bubbles, sidewalk chalk, pool toys, sandals, kids things. If you are looking for like cheap gift baskets for, like, say when you throw your kid a birthday party for the guests that come over, oh my gosh, this would be a great thing to do. Stuff is just so cheap. I don't have any kids. Otherwise I would have went probably a little bit more crazy. But the things that I bought is either things that I'm going to be using, or I can gift out to people that I know that have pools, that live on a lake, things like that, that do have little kids. Great, cheap Christmas, Easter basket fillers, you guys. I can't express that enough. So when you go into one of those sales, make sure you set a budget, because I could have easily went in debt. Capital One would have thanked me, but, you know, I stuck to my budget. So yeah, I saved $441. I was so happy when the cashier, she looked at it, she's like, oh my gosh, you saved $441. I said, say what? And I was like, heck yeah. But I also bought some other things too that were on sale that I had coupons to match. So I'm going to go over those first. Just in case if you don't even want to touch the clearance section, just a reminder, it is 90% off starting today. So let's get right to it. Schick razors right now are on sale. Oh, great, I dropped one. Schick razors right now are on sale for $5.99. There's one on the floor. I ain't picking it up. They're on sale for $5.99. You want to use a $3 off digital that you can clip to your card on your Walgreens app or at walgreens.com. There was also a $6 off of two in this past Sunday's paper. There was also a $3 off coupon in this past Sunday's paper. So, and when you buy two, you get 2,000 points back. So that's making it a great deal. And I'll give you my total at the end, because I also had a 20% off $40 purchase. And it also applied to my clearance stuff. So that's why I saved so much. Also, big razors right now are on sale 2 for $11, and when you buy two, you get 3,000 points back. You want to use two $3 off manufacturer coupons that were in this past Sunday's paper. Yeah, so that would bring your total. Oh, and there is a $2 off or a $1 off IVC in the WAGS book that you can use on 4 count to 12 count razors. So I got $2 more off. So let's do the math in the head. 11 minus 8 equals $3, but you get back 3,000 in points when you buy two. So guess what? These were free. Free, you guys. Free big razors. And I can't express this enough. When you guys look for disposable razors, make sure you look for the bonus pack so you get the most value. Now, Colgate right now, mouthwash and toothpaste is on sale for $4.99. You either want to use the $1 off coupon on coupons.com, or there is a $1 off digital that you can clip to your card, making it $3.99. But when you purchase one, you get a $3 register reward back, making it 99 cents. And I usually say 99 cents for a mouthwash is a really good deal. Toothpaste you can usually get for free or under 50 cents. So I went with the mouthwash this time. Then I also did the Tide Simply and the two Downy I went with deal. Each one is on sale for $2.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you can clip to your card. There is a 50-cent off coupon that you can clip to your card. No coupon for this, wah wah. But when you buy 3 of these, you get back a $3 register reward, you guys. So in the end, it comes out to $3.47 for all 3 products, or $1.16 each. So, you know, Tide Simply, this is my opinion on it. I prefer Tide. My daughter prefers Gain. This stuff, I really don't see it getting my clothes clean enough. Like, I like it, so I use it for my towels, or I'll be donating this to the Humane Society for the puppies and the kittens and the bunnies and all that stuff up there. They're always in desperate need of laundry soap. Now, let's get to the clearance. Like I said, clearance is 90% off. Go in with that budget. I am telling you, people, go in with that budget. So the first thing I bought was that towel again. I bought this at 70% off. I bought 2 because I needed 2, one for me and one for my daughter. But there was more left throughout the week at 70% off. But I was waiting till 90%. They only had 1 left. So I'm glad I got my 2 at 70%. But these are $7.99. And I got it for 79 cents. And what you do is you wet down the towel, you whip it in the air, and then you put it on your neck or you put it on your wrist to cool yourself down in the summertime. And trust me, at Rock USA, I could have used like about 40 of these. Honestly, it was that hot. Slip and slides. Slip and slides are normally $9.99. I got it on clearance for 99 cents, you guys. 99 cents for a slip and slide. Yeah, I picked up a couple of those. Then we have a battery operated fan. These are great for camping. I can't express this enough. Yeah, it takes batteries, but it circulates the air in the tent. And if it's hot outside, these help. These are normally $14.99. I got it for $1.49. $1.49, you guys. These swim buckets, they're called a Slime Rocket Splat Set. It comes with these little toys up on top, and it comes with 2 buckets. This is normally $9.99, and I got it for 99 cents. Super soakers, we all know these super soakers. I love super soakers. When my kid was young, oh my goodness, what is going on with this camera? Hello. So anyway, oh, come on. Not now. Not now. Oh well, you guys are just gonna have to see me fuzzy, I guess. Super soakers are normally $9.99, on sale for 99 cents. Yeah, so I picked up a couple of those. This is called the Wiggling Water Sprinkler. I guess you hook it up to your hose and it just shoots water all over the place. This was $9.99 on clearance for 99 cents. Jump ropes. These little girl jump ropes, I have somebody in mind. These jump ropes for $3.99 on clearance for 39 cents. Picked up a couple of those. Now, we all had that craze this summer, past couple of summers. All those floaties shaped in all different kinds of food and drink and animals and whatever. This is a little kids one. This was $14.99. I got this on clearance for $1.49. And I think that's cute. A pink little flamingo for a little girl. Now, these are the adult ones. Now, they can get pretty pricey. I mean, when they came out, I was like $30, $40, $50. Hello, for a pool floaty? I got the pineapple. These are normally $19.99. I got it for $1.99. And the pizza one. And the adult flamingo one. Ugh, camera. And the llama one. Ugh. And the popsicle one. How cute. And the cheeseburger. I thought this was so adorable. The cheeseburger. It was great. Oh my God. Great for gifts, you guys, for $1.99. You can't go wrong. I picked up a couple of each of those too. So anyways, my total came to, after it took the 20, let's see here. After it took the 20% off, which was $17.76, and all my coupons and my IVCs, and I had $6 in register rewards left over from last week, my total came to $41.64, you guys. But I got back $6 in register rewards, one for the Ty Downey deal. Oh, this camera. One for the Ty Downey deal and one for the Colgate. I got 7,000 points back for the Bic and the Schick razors. So my total ended up being $34.36 plus tax. And if you divide that by the 42 items I got, each item cost 81 cents. Yeah. That's how you save $441 at Walgreens. Hello. So remember, set that budget. Don't go overboard. Buy what you need. Try not to be one of those shelf clearers, because there's other people out there like me that like to get the good deals. And trust me, there was a lot of stuff left, you guys. A lot of stuff left. I was very impressed. So yeah, set that budget. Set that budget, and I'm going to go fix this camera. Talk to you later. Bye.